Hello, Scott and Bridget. My name is Brad Altman, and I'm going to send you some free information here on your web page and how you can easily outrank your competitors out there. It looks like you're hiring right now. We can also help you with that, or I can give you more information on how to do that as well to bring in more qualified associates out there. I also see that you have all your information up here on your services. I see you do house cleaning as well as window cleaning and pressure washing, which is great. Um, One thing I would probably start out doing different right away is getting, you have a lot of area here. I would put your contact information right here. Yes, I see you can contact us, but I would put or even up in here, you can put your address, telephone number, stuff like that. So it's the first thing that pops out for people. And again, I do see you have it right up here. But again, I would possibly put your address and things like that along with it in this area. One of the first things I'd like to go over with you, besides that, is go over how many words you have on your web page. What I'm going to do is just copy and paste your URL here off your web page. And I'm going to put it over here in a tool called Word Count. Word Count is a free tool that you can get off of the internet. The one I'm using is this. It's exactly what it says, Word Count, and you can see it is free. Um, when I put your information here, it tells me that you have 784 words on your web page. Now, what I'm going to do is go over here to your competitor, and I'm going to do the same thing, copy and paste. And again, you have 784. Your competitor has 849. Now, I'm going to one other thing. I went into also just house cleaning, and I'm going to copy and paste their information as well. This is your competitor out there, Cleaning Authority, for the house cleaning. Um, Accurate is the one I use for the pressure washing part. But again, I'm just going to copy and paste their information into this word count as well. So 749, 849, and 942. So your competitors are out there kind of outranking you in word count, but Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your web page. Okay. This is how you get ranked in Google. So, what I'm going to do, well, this is where I found you guys, is way back in here, but I'm going to go, yeah, so that's right, to this page. This is the first landing page. So, as you can see, accurate, the ones that I've been comparing you with here, are ranked number one in the map area. And if I go down here, I'm going to back up here. This right here is the second spot that people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. Down here, however, this is referred to as the organic search area. And according to Google, and again, they're the ones that run your web page, um, this is the number one spot that people are going to click on. Okay. And you can see accurate power washing is in third spot here and in first spot on Map It. And again, this is the first place, according to Google, that people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. And again, I didn't find your company in here anywhere whatsoever. Um, I'm going to go over the house cleaning one here. And again, this is how I found your competitors out there. And you can see there's only two companies out there on the Map It area. So it'd be very easily to outrank them and go up here. And I'm going to go down here just to see if I can find your house cleaning company. But you can see there's some other people right up here in the second spot that are not even in the Map It area. Again, this is the first place that people are going to click on. I'm going to just slide down just a little bit to see if I can find your company at all. And again, I'm not finding it anywhere. Okay. So if you want to bring more revenue in, more customers in, get more people hired, you're going to need more word count and more keywords to get ranked right here and in the map it area. What are keywords? Or in your business, house cleaning is a keyword. If we go over here, pressure washing is a keyword here. And that's what Google looks at also. So you're going to want to work on more words. And by adding more words to your website, again, remember you only had like 749, something like that. But anyhow, by getting up to 1,500 to 2,000 words, you're going to be very easily ranked right here and here, the number one spots, and outrank these people. And what that does, like I said, because this is the first place that people are going to click on, it's going to bring more customers to you. And like I said, if you're hiring, the same thing. They're going to come in here and click on this area to find a job with you guys. I'm going to go over here now to a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is not a free tool. It costs me about $200 a month to use. But as you can see, I have your company clicked right in here. And you guys have 89 organic words. It's bringing in about $33 a month. I'm going to go over here to Accurate. They have 134, $110 a month. So you can see by adding more keywords, it brings in more revenue. I'm going to go one more spot into the house cleaning area. And I don't have them in here yet. I'm just going to copy and paste. Put them in here and just to see where they're ranking at and see how hard it would be to outrank them. Waiting for technology. It's always good, isn't it? There we go. But while, oh, there it goes. So, but while we're waiting for this load up, again, you want to work on your keywords. And again, zero. Oh, I'm in the paid search, that's why. The keywords are very important. Again, keywords are anything that you would type in a search bar when you're looking for something. So if you're looking for pizza, you would type pizza in the search bar. I'm sure you've used search bars before. You understand what I'm saying. So here we go. They have 41 organic keywords, but they're bringing in $465 a month from their webpage. I'm going to highlight this so you can see. It's the estimated value of your target's monthly organic search. So just by having, they only had 41. I can't remember what you have. You guys have 89, but all keywords are not created equal. Okay. Um, and again, I'm going to go back to theirs just to see some of their organic words that they're using. A little silence here, waiting for this to come up. Again, keywords, the amount of words on your website is what's going to make the difference out there. So again, some of their keywords are Madison Cleaners. It's got them ranked. Madison Cleaning Services got them ranked in the 8th spot and the 6th spot. So you could very easily outrank them here because you could be the number one position in this area. Madison Cleaning Services Madison, Cleaning Service Madison, Cleaners Madison. So these are all good keywords, and that's why they're bringing in that amount of money compared to what you guys are. I'm going to go over here just to see a few of your keywords and see if anything can be switched around, which I'm sure it can be. But while I'm waiting for that to pop up, I'm going to go back over here. And again, a keyword is anything you type in a search bar, just so you know. While I'm waiting for this to go up, I'm going to talk about something called backlinks. I'm going to click on your organic keywords, means it finally came up here, just to see what you got. Again, see the dollar difference, and you have less keywords. The dollar difference is tremendous, though. 400 and something to 33. So backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. And I guess a better way to say that is a backlink is literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most backlinks pointing back to your webpage wins. And again, backlinks are kind of like keywords. If you don't have the right backlinks, it's not going to rank you very well. Here's some of your keywords. You're in 9, 8, 15. So your ranking's not very well here. But you could very easily outrank these people by getting the proper keywords and backlinks put in. Concept cleaners, home concept. Yeah, here's some of your situations. You don't have real good keywords here. Here's a better one. See how the 200 is? Window cleaning. And again, Madison window cleaning. So there's some good words that you're using. But again, like I said, we can change all this, or you can after watching this video, and bring in better keywords to get you guys ranked out there in the number one spot. Like I said, you're not ranked at all on this one or this one. Okay, so if you want to bring in more income, more associates, work on your keywords, work on your backlinks. I'm going to close it out with this because I see I'm running into getting a little long here on this video for you. But if at the end, if you want more information about this, I will give you more information on the email that I'm going to send this video to you. I hope you found this information helpful. I hope you progress with it and make your business better and stronger. I will talk to you in the near future. In the meantime, you guys have a great day.